Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites: a target headset, engine choice, and developer SDKs. Install Unity or Unreal, plus headset runtime and controller SDKs. Make sure USB/ADB or PC link works. Create a new project and add an empty scene with a playable camera rig and basic locomotion. Once done, implement simple interactions like grab and raycast. You need this minimal loop to test hardware early, because rapid iteration prevents wasting weeks on untestable systems. Now focus on the game systems. Prototype core mechanics with quick, testable scenes so you can validate feel and comfort. Wire interactions to controller events and tune locomotion to reduce motion sickness. Alternate teleport, smooth, or mix methods. Once mechanics are solid, integrate optimized assets, combine meshes, use LODs, bake light maps, and select single pass or multi-view rendering to hit your 72 to 120 FPS budget. Also add spatial audio and simple haptics to increase immersion. You finish by polishing UX and preparing builds. Add onboarding, comfort options, and accessibility toggles. Make sure settings persist between sessions. Run platform-specific performance profiles, address CPU or GPU hotspots, and build signed release packages. Once submitted, monitor telemetry and crash logs to iterate. If things go wrong, isolate frame drops immediately, check CPU frame time, GPU bottlenecks, and render thread spikes. Then reduce shader complexity, lower shadow resolution, or simplify physics to recover consistent frame timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.